Jai Hind to all. Welcome back to my IT tutorials. And today I'm going to talk about the styles in a document. That is basically the unit 1 of part B. That is the first unit, rest 3 unit, second, third and fourth I already covered. And it's my humble request to all, kindly keep on watching these all videos because that will help you to cover the part B. And today I have decided to start the part B, unit 1, and which is basically the word or word processor, or you can say writer. And the topic in session 1 is style in documents. Now, before again I should start the demonstrating this practically, I would like to tell you this style is different kind of formatting that is already available in the writer that can be applied. It's a collections of formatting that writer provide us to format our paragraph or to format our list or to format our page or a frame and likewise. So these styles are the ready-made again formatting that can be easily incorporated, that can be easily applied, that can be easily again used by the user in this writer directly. That generally used whenever our document is too much big and a style is supposed or formatting is required to be done. Now for big documents, if I want to start formatting manually one by one, it will take time and it will be very cumbersome. Just to avoid that, we are using the formatting in style, one of the features of writer that directly help us to format our paragraph. Different styles you can give applied to the different paragraph. Same styles can be copied to the other paragraph also, and that's the advantage. So now I'll show you how to perform these styles in writer. Just I'm going to share my screen. Just keep on watching this video. Now to use the different styles in writer, first of all you have to start OpenOffice, as you all know, and under the OpenOffice package we have a one package that is called OpenOffice Writer. So click on the writer. The moment you'll click on the writer, you will get the writer window where we have a different again like areas. This is title bar, this is menu bar, this is a toolbar, this is a formatting toolbar, these are rulers, this is horizontal ruler, this is vertical ruler. These are the areas where you will work, pages where basically will work, and this is called a status bar. So these are the different where you are seeing the page 1 of 1. So this is a status bar, default English, this all. Now, since we want to use the styles of a different kind, so that's why I'll first again open a document where you can apply this style, because in blank you cannot get the what style you applied and what the impact of it. Now, since I have to work with the styles and the different kind of style I'll demonstrate, so that I'm opening a file, trying to open a file. So file open, you should get a dialog box, and this is an open dialog box where we have options to select the file that you want to open it. And just I'm starting a file, any file where we can make some changes. Let's see if there is some file that I can show you. What is curriculum vitae? Another file. In document you can search. Maybe some file will get that. So any like the circular 2 I'm starting. This is the circular 2. I just again selected the circular 2 and open it. Let's see what are there in circular 2. So there are some documents and something is written. One para is there where I'll show you how to change the different styles in a document. Now, first and foremost, we have to see how many types of style we have in writer. Now this paragraph or this document I want to alter. by the help of a style and formatting feature of Writer. And for that, I have to go to the format, and under the format there is a style and formatting. You can directly click F11 also after opening the document where you want to apply the different kind of styles and formatting. So what you have to do first, you have to open a document where you want to apply the different kind of styles, and then go to the format. Under the format there is a style and formatting, and shortcut key is F11. Click on it. The moment you will click on it, you will get a new again dialog window, where we have a different again styles that you can apply. So first and foremost, I'll explain each kind of a style that is available in the Writer. First is paragraph styles. It means you can change the style of a paragraph. You can format a paragraph. Any kind of changes you want to do in the paragraph, you can select the first and foremost options under the style and formatting dialog window where we have a paragraph. So simply, as you can keep the mouse, it will show you paragraph style. You are seeing paragraph style. Then second is character style. Now character style is basically allow you to change a particular word, particular character, particular line in the paragraph if you want to make any changes. That's what's called a character style. Third one is a frame style. Once I have a frame is basically object, look like a rectangular box. Inside it we generally keep the pictures and other things. If you want to make any changes in that frame, the third option is a frame style. So we must have a frame in our document, then this style can be applied. So that I'll show you how to insert a frame and how to change the style of it. Next is you have a page style. Now I have many pages in my document and I want to change the page style. So page maybe you want page must have an indentation, you want something on the top, you want as a end note something to be written, and directly you can write by this help of this page style. And the last is list style. Once I have a list in my document, and if the list is required to be formatted or list is required to be changed with some style, then this last option will allow you to change the list style. Then there is a fill format mode, and there is a new style from the selection. Now these two also I'll discuss. So what you have seen, there are 5 different types of styles that we can apply in the Writer. One is a paragraph, second is a character, third is a frame, fourth is a page, and fifth is a list style. Now try to see one by one how to change a paragraph style by the help of a style and formatting feature of Writer. Now I'm selecting a paragraph where I want to make some changes. Let's see. Just close this. Suppose in this para, the selected para, I want to make some changes. Select it, go to the formats, style and formatting, and the first options that you can see is already on, and these are the features that you can apply. For example, if I'll say text body indent, click on it, double click on it. What you've seen, there is some indentation takes place here. Earlier there was a bullet, the bullet has gone. If I'll say text body, it again moved toward the left direction little. If I'll say signatures, then there is some change. If it is this, so you are seeing the different again effect coming into that paragraph that is selected one, and this is how to apply a particular kind of style in a paragraph in Writer. So first and foremost, open a document, select a paragraph where you want to apply that, and then go to the paragraph option under the style and formatting under the format menu, and then select the style, desired style that you want. This way you can change the paragraph style. Now second feature is we have a character style. Now suppose this 9 class, this 9 word in case of 9 and 10. This is a one character or one maybe word you can say. Go to the characters, you will get the different styles here. Now as you can see, there are different styles like rubies. You must have seen the size of this 9th has reduced since I have selected a paragraph. And emphasis, you have seen the 9th class is now more prominent. Index link is a different kind. And then we have suppose then teletype. In case of teletype, it is showing you the 9th differently. And this way you can select a particular style character style to a particular character in a paragraph. The second feature is character style. That basically talked about the how to change a style in a character. Now third is a frame style. Now to see a style, frame style, first of all you have to draw a frame. So go to the insert, say frame, and then OK. You have a frame now and you have something written here. Now select this frame and go to the format, say style and formatting. The moment you'll click on the style and formatting, the third options, as you can see, it is a frame style, this is character style, this is a paragraph style. We have already seen the paragraph style, we have also seen the character style. Now it's a frame style. Click on the frame style, it is showing you all the frames style that is available. Now let's see watermark. As a moment I'll double click on the watermark, you must have seen the color and effect of the frame changed. Now if I want to apply something else, just select the frame and go for the graphics. Now if I've clicked on the graphic, double click you have to do, then you are seeing the different effect. Click on the labels, it is already moved again. Then click on this margin layer, that is again another features, OLE. So it is showing you the different again effect in the frame if you have a frame, and there are limited one that you can apply. Now this is my page, and if I want to make any changes in the page, then I have to go to the page style. Now in the page style there are right pen, there are left pen. Just double click on the right pen, you are seeing some changes in the page. Say left pen, say landscape. What you have seen, the page style has changed to the landscape. So just to make your page landscape, you may have a page portrait, not necessary to be the landscape. The moment you'll click on landscape, it changed the page style to the landscape. And this is how you can change the different again style to it. There is a footnote, there is a first page, there is a end note, envelopes. Now in case of envelope, you are seeing the size of page has changed to the envelope. And this is how you can change the page style in Writer. Now the last is list, and to create a list or to format the list, just open a document. I'm going to open a document where we have a list already created. Then you can see it better. Let's see in this circular if I can show you. As you can see here, there are lists. The size is very small. I'm making it little bigger for you. Okay, now as you can see, there is a list and there are teachers' name, and I want to make some changes in the list. You just select it till so far you want. Suppose till this I want to make some changes. Go to the format, say style and formatting, and say on the list, click on the list. Here it is a list 1. Click on the list 2. You must be seeing some changes in the front of list. List 3, you are seeing the checkbox now. List 4, there is an arrow mark. List 5, this is a different kind. Numbering 2, numbering 3, numbering 4. It means since list is already there, that's why you are getting the different effect. Better to have a list simply and then apply the effect. And this is how you can change the any again style in an existing list, or you may have a list and then you can apply a style according to the needs or choice of yours. That is how you can change the list style. So all the different style, 5 styles, paragraph styles, which generally used to format a paragraph or to apply a particular style in a paragraph. Character style basically help us to change a character style or just to modify a character or a word or a sentence or a line in a paragraph. And then we have a frame. The frame generally used to frame style generally used to change the style in a frame. And then we have a page style. Page style is applicable for the entire page. If you want to make any changes in the page, just simply open it, have that style and then writing. And the last is a list style, which generally used to change the style of a particular list. Either it is existing one or the new list that you are creating. So this is what all about the different kind of style categories. It's already there in your books. Kindly go through it and kindly see it practically also. Try to do it practically. You'll be able to do it. Now, if you want to create your own, creating and updating a new style from selection. Now, I can create a new style also. And it's very easy to do. If I want to create a new style out of any style that you want. So what you have to do, suppose a style I want to create, there are 2 different ways. You select the paragraph, go for the whatever changes you want like italic, underline, and then suppose I'm making it 16. One style I have already given. Now this style I want to make as a new style for me, so that further I can use the same kind of style. For that, just select that para, go to the format, say style and formatting, and in style and formatting just select it and drag to this. It is asking you the new style, say my new style. Give the name my new style, say OK. You will see the my new style is one of the style already there in this list. This is one of the way you can create a style. Now, suppose this paragraph, entire paragraph, I want to apply the same style that I have just created. For that, I have to go again formatting, style and formatting, and then just double click on the style that you have created. So you must be seeing some changes in it. That is how a style can be applied, existing style can be applied. Another way to create a style is simply you can apply the style first, whatever the style you want, like a formatting. You can go to the style and formatting, you can click on the paragraph, you can have any sorts of a style that you want. Suppose addressee or bibliography or something like that, and then go to this and say new style selections. Now, at the moment you will say new style selection, it is asking you the style name. You can give S1. This is my style name that I had given, and say OK. You must have seen S1 has been already added here as a style. Now, anywhere if you want to apply this style, you can try to apply it. Now suppose this para, I want to apply the S1 style. It's in alphabetical order. You may get it here. Select the para and click on the S1. What you have seen, the style of the paragraph, which was too bold and size was 15 and the italic underline had changed with the new style that I have just created. This is how to create and updating a new style from the selection. I have created a style from the selection of the style that already there in the writer, and then I saved as a new style for me, and the next moment if I want that style I can directly use it. So this is how to create a new style. Drag and drop method I have shown you, and just to click on the new load style, and here this options is here. You can click here, say new style from the selection, and it will ask you the name. Simply give the name, that will be there again updated in the list. So this is how to use a style that is already again applied in the document with a new name, and further you can use the same again style to format your document. Now, last options is how to load a style from a template on another document. Now, for this, you can have first open the document in which you want to apply the style. So first of all, you have to open the document. So it means I have to open a document, new document, I'm going to open it. Let's see. Now I'm going to open a document that is a curriculum vitae of mine. It will be a different for you all. Now this is one of the again like documents that I had opened. Now if I want to have a template out of that created and applied to the other document, then what I have to do? Simply open it and go to the formatting format. It's already open, so click on the format, go to the style and formatting. Now after clicking on the style and formatting, there is a feature called load style. So simply click here and go to the load style. Now in load style there are template, and in the template, if you want to apply this template, you can have any document. For example, you can close this for a while, and let me to try on this only. Now this is my document, and here I want to apply the format or a template of my resume that I have just shown you. So how do we do it? Let's see. open the document in which you want to use this style. Go to the format, say style and formatting, click here, say load style. Now once you click on the load style, it is showing you the my template, and there is a my biodata. That is the same template name I have created out of it. And then if I want to use it, there are check boxes at the bottom. In this dialog window, there is a text, there is a frame, there is a page, there is numbering, there is override. Now this is where you want to apply it, like the text style you want to, or frame style you want to, or page style you want to, or numbering override. If you want, it should override the current style, because this paragraph that I had already opened circular having already a style, and I want this style should be override by the my biodata template style. So I've selected my bio and I had selected the override mode, and then say OK. Moment you'll click on it, you must have seen some changes in this circular. The style of the circular had changed according to the resume template that I have already. So this way you can change the style or use a template of a document into the other document. For that, I must create a template first out of the style or out of the document that I want, keep it safe, and then open a new document where you want to use that template. Go to the format, say style and format, and under the style and format, go to the load style. It will show you the template. Select the template that you had already saved and just say OK. You'll see there is a check boxes at the bottom of it, and you can select accordingly, like the page style you want to only again copied. Then you can tick that. And override, it means if you want to override the old style that is applied already in the document with the template style, then you can click on the override. And this way you can use all the style in a writer. And I hope one by one, once you'll follow this style, how to change a paragraph style, how to change a character style, how to change a frame style, how to change a page style, and how to change the style of a list. I hope easily you'll be able to do. So main topic was what is a style? It's a collections of the different kind of formatting available in the writer, can be directly applied to the document easily without much problem, because it's a time saver, it's efficiently it will be, easily you can do. And whenever document is very big, and if you start again doing manually, it's take a lot of time, chances maybe you may not get the same style. But here, once you had applied a particular style, same style can be copied to the other document, or same style can be applied again and again from the directly the format, style and format. So that's all, and I hope you'll enjoy this video and you'll understand easily once you'll watch it. Try to watch completely, don't leave in meanwhile, because then you may not get some of the things. And if you like, you can subscribe it also, you can like it also. Thank you all. In next video, I'll go for the second session of it. Thank you.